What's up, guys? My name is Brian. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be watching Pharrell Happy, sung in Family Guy voices by Mikey. Let's go.
You know, it might seem crazy what I'm about to say. So child, she's here, you could take a break. I'm a hot air balloon like a goodest face.
What's that? Going to space? Oh yeah.
With the air, I don't care, baby, by the way. My God,
Because I'm happy.
let me know if you feel like a room without a roof.
Because I'm happy.
Let me know if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Because I'm happy.
Come along if you know what happiness is to you.
Because I'm happy.
Let me know if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Why are you bringing me down, man?
To bring me down.
Give me all you got, and don't hold back.
Don't hold back. Don't hold back. Your birds, Meg.
Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. I eat people like you for breakfast. I also like wheat thins. No offense to you, Meg, but don't waste your time. Alrighty, thank you, Neil. Big Neil Rooney.
Because I'm happy.
Let me know if you feel like a room without a roof.
Because I'm happy.
Let me know if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Because I'm happy.
Come along if you know what happiness is to you.
Because I'm happy.
Let me know if you feel like that's what you wanna do. You're still here, huh? I did not think you would stick around and watch the entire video, but I'm glad you did. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Mikey Boots for new videos every Tuesday. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to click one of these 5 boxes and watch one of Mikey's other Family Guy cover songs. You could watch Rap God, The Monster, Timber, and Royals. You could watch that. And of course, the most recent one where Mikey talked dirty in Family Guy voices. Yes, he covered Talk Dirty. You could watch that. If you still haven't clicked one of those videos, I don't have anything more to say to you. It's not because I'm mad. I don't have any more content. So, good luck.
Alright, guys, that was Pharrell Happy, sung with second Family Guy voices. Next episode is Mark Ronson featuring Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk, sung in, whatever. I will get to it in the next video. But if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos every day, and subscribe to Mikey Bolts for videos every Tuesday, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.